their strengths and limits. And in doing so, they learn about trust.
I think it's a wonderful exercise for them to act out their hunting techniques and their stalking techniques. I also see her teasing him. She runs away and then she lets him catch her. And he will jump her. He will stalk her and jump her. And then she does a little yelp and he lets her go right away. I have not yet seen them intentionally hurt each other at all. I would intervene if I felt that the coyote was in danger. I would pull her in a heartbeat. I don't want to put her in any kind of jeopardy. But I don't think that she thinks that she is a coyote.